Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an empty public lobby in Grand Theft Auto 5. This method allows you to play solo or with friends without interference from other players. It's incredibly useful for completing business missions, selling cargo, or simply exploring Los Santos in peace. We'll cover methods for both PC and console, ensuring you can enjoy a private experience in a public setting. For PC players, the most common method involves using your Task Manager. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Then navigate to the Performance tab and click Open Resource Monitor at the bottom. Locate GTA 5.exe in the list, right-click it, and choose Suspend Process. After waiting for about 10 to 15 seconds, right-click again and select Resume Process. This brief suspension will clear the lobby. Console players, particularly on PlayStation, can achieve a solo public lobby by adjusting their MTU settings. Go to your console's network settings and choose to set up your internet connection manually. When prompted for the MTU setting, change it from the default value to around 800. This lower number restricts your connection, effectively isolating you in a public lobby. Just remember to change it back to its original setting when you are done. Having an empty public lobby offers numerous advantages. You can complete lucrative business sales, such as vehicle cargo or special cargo, without the constant threat of other players. It's also a fantastic way to grind missions, collect daily objectives, or simply explore the map in peace. You can even invite your friends to join your private public session for cooperative play. Enjoy your uninterrupted Grand Theft Auto 5 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.